Welcome to Bonaire. Bonaire is a special municipality of the Netherlands, part of the Caribbean Netherlands. It is not an independent country, but governed directly by the Netherlands. Bonaire is located in the southern Caribbean, just north of Venezuela. The port has two main piers, the north and south piers, and they can berth up to 3 ships at one time. While the two piers are very close to each other, they do have distinct characteristics. If you are sailing on a bigger mainline cruise ship, chances are you'll pull alongside the southern pier. Because it runs parallel to the shore, it provides a long, stable berth for the big ship. As you step off the gangway, you'll walk through a small, colorful terminal area. It feels efficient but welcoming. Within 2 minutes, you're greeted by the Harborside Mall and a line of taxis waiting. A few hundred yards to your left sits the northern pier. This dock jutting out into the sea is where the smaller boutique ships often find their home. Landing here feels a bit more personal. You don't walk through a terminal, you walk straight into the arms of Wilhelmina Park. It's a softer, more traditional entrance to the island. Kralendijk is the capital of Bonaire and Dutch is the official language. Papiamentu, a Creole language, is also widely spoken. English and Spanish are spoken too. US dollar is the currency used in Bonaire. Many restaurants also accept major credit cards. The population of Bonaire is approximately 27,000 with an ethnic makeup of Afro-Caribbean, Dutch, Latin American, and people with mixed heritage. Despite its small size, Bonaire is culturally rich, with music, festivals, and food influenced by Africa, Europe, and Latin America. Bonaire has one of the most consistent climates in the Caribbean. It is tropical, dry, and sunny with average temperatures of daytime highs between 82 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 28 to 31 degrees Celsius. Nighttime temperature hovers around 77 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Bonaire has very low rainfall, mainly brief showers between October to January. The island sits outside the main hurricane belt and hurricane risk is very low, making it a year-round destination. Trade winds keep the island comfortable and thus it is a popular place especially with diverse snorkelers and windsurfers. It is known globally for its strong emphasis on environmental protection, especially marine conservation. Its low-key tourism focuses on nature rather than mega-resorts. At the end of pier, there is a tourist information desk manned by staff where you can get Bonaire maps and helpful information about island attractions.
And that is not deep, but everybody goes. Over there you can swim and you're not in. Snorkel is more Eden Beach or Chogogo Beach. Which one is?
What about Te Amo?
Te Amo, nice beaches over there. You see the sand over there? There's no chair, no bathroom over there. Just when you go with the kids.
The cruise port area is compact and efficient as it is close to shops, services, taxis, and tour kiosks. Wheelchair-accessible public restrooms are also available at the port area. There are public restrooms in the Harborside Mall as well, and typically a small fee of $1 is required. So bringing some small cash for services and small purchases are recommended. There is no terminal building at this port, but there is a South Pier Mall that consists of duty-free shops with various products, local boutiques, and souvenir shops. The distance to town center is very near, a short walk south along the waterfront from the pier. There's no Uber or Lyft and the island can be explored by foot, taxi, tours, or vehicle rental. Taxis and small tour operators are available just outside the port exit. Getting around Bonaire is easy. Downtown and port area are easy to explore on foot. Taxis or water taxis are available at the pier for beaches and attractions farther out. Golf cart, scooter, and car rental are also popular and convenient options for island exploration. There are many rental providers near town. Lastly, visitors can choose from organized tour options for various attractions. For natural and wildlife experiences, check out the salt flats and see resident flamingos in the wild. Or visit Bonaire Donkey Sanctuary, a family-friendly stop where you can interact with rescued donkeys. Washington Slagby National Park is another great option for hiking, wildlife watching, or explore varied landscapes.
All these places, the north part, you visit
the flamingos during hunt.
It's 3 hours.
Yes, this is the 3 hours and it's $35 per person.
Okay.
And you go in a minibus with air conditioner and a tour guide who explain to you everything.
Okay. All right. Thank you. How
You're
many people?
welcome.
Morning.
15.
One amount of money. It's everything included, massage,
All of it.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna write down that you're going with Susie.
And that $10 is the launcher included. You have the Wi-Fi service, you have the bathroom, toilet, shower.
I also have still another event going out. Depends what time you want to go. Like that one doesn't have anything booked yet.
Okay.
So I could do 10 o'clock if that
If they
is-
wanted to, yeah.
And directly in front of you are the craft markets where locals sell handmade jewelry and sea salt. For shopping and dining, the Wilhelmina Park Market and nearby street stalls sell local crafts, jewelry, paintings, and island goods. Kaya Grande, Kralendijk's main street, is lined with more shops and cafes for browsing. There are plenty of restaurants and bars near the port serving Caribbean and international cuisine, many with waterfront views. Options range from casual cafes and seafood grills to sit-down spots featuring local flavors.
Yeah.
This is the historic soul of Kralendijk. To your left is the old Fort Orange with its yellow stone walls and cannons. If you wish to stay around the port area, the beach closest to the cruise port that allows easy, shallow reef snorkeling is Cha-Cha-Cha Beach. It is located right in Kralendijk, next to the cruise piers with a distance around 5 to 10 minutes walk from the port. The beach has calm water and has a shallow entry. The reef starts close to shore, which makes it great for beginners and casual snorkelers. Coral formations and rocky reef structures allow snorkelers to spot fishes. Here are some tips if you are going there for snorkeling. It is not a sandy beach, it has a rocky entry and water shoes are recommended. There are no facilities at the beach, so bring your own snorkel gear and other essential items you may need. The second closest beach option is Te Amo Beach. It is a longer walk or about a 5 minutes taxi ride. It has easier sandy beach entry compared to Cha-Cha-Cha. The water is often calm and it is less crowded. It's a sandy beach with calm, clear waters and a reef close to shore, making it suitable for shallow snorkeling as well. There are parking and restroom facilities and food trucks are usually present offering casual food and drinks. Bringing your own towel is recommended. For resort-style beach option, Flamingo Beach at DV Flamingo Resort is a pleasant beach about a 10 to 15 minutes walk from the port, featuring resort amenities, casino, and restaurants as well. Besides these nearby beach options, there are also many snorkeling tours and vendors offering water taxis at the cruise dock. Water taxis regularly run from near the port to Klein Bonaire, a pristine, uninhabited islet ideal for snorkeling and relaxing. In summary, Bonaire's cruise port is highly walkable and ideally located in the heart of Kralendijk with immediate access to shopping, dining, beaches, and world-class marine activities. While it's not the busiest or largest port in the Caribbean, it's loved for its natural beauty, underwater adventures, and local charm. Hope you have enjoyed the tour. Thank you for watching and see you in our next port.